Hey everybody, welcome to the test video for 9462. This is a 2006 GTO LS2 with a 6-speed manual. Hitting my gear, it looks like, through the windshield, jack the hood up, all that. Motor runs nice. We'll show you the interior here. 162, 823. CD player don't work. Power seats do work, and they're not super torn up. Seats are moving. Alright, I'll show you the engagement of the gears. I can't drive it, but it moves. I don't know if you can tell. Let me open the door. Goes through all the gears. Reverse. That's 6. There's reverse. I can't drive them. I try to put them through that. Windows work. Not very fast, some of them. Alright, let's go listen to that motor. Got a set of long tubes on it, and it's not drive-by cable. Get back out here. I might forget which one's which some days. And if you need any GTO parts, you know where to find us, and have your pets stay neutered.